All right, today is disposition. What's happening?
Yes, Your Honor. We were discussing pretrial diversion. It's like, I don't think it's going to be an option. So I believe you can take a plea next time.
All right, next time is going to be December 15th.
Can you do the 18th, same day as the other case?
Yes. Ms. Ferguson, if you recall this for December 18th, that'll be for disposition.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you for dressing appropriate for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you. Who's next?
It's page 7 on the top, Judge.
Jonathan Lizardo.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Yeah, when you
You rival some attorneys with your attire. All right. Yes, discovery.
Yes, we provided everything we are able to defend. There is a discovery that defense will have to have for this week. And I believe we are going to set up a time to do that.
Yes, Judge, just was given a bunch of stuff this morning, intend to do that. I will set up a meeting as soon as I can to view what needs to be viewed in the district attorney's office. Just asking for the time to do that so I can confer intelligently with the state. And when I get the offer, I can I can respond to it appropriately, Judge,
All right.
and determine whether or not we need to just take it to trial.
All right, you all will need to confer off docket in regards to an offer. Date at the end of January. Ms. Ferguson, I need a January date, end of January, please.
29.
All right, January 29th will be your plea deadline date.
Yes, Judge.
Do you understand?
Yes, sure.
All right, any questions?
No.
All right, just have a seat. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Manuel Ramirez, 9 one down.
Manuel Ramirez. And I need the violation report. All right, Mr. Come down. All right, what is happening with his case? It's a possession less than a gram case.
Yes, Your Honor, I apologize, but I did not receive notice of the setting, so I'm not ready. I was hoping to bring it back either tomorrow, but I was told you're in trial.
Yes.
So I was hoping maybe next week, whatever you can do, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, are you able to put this on the docket for disposition on December 15th?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're gonna bring December 15th.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Have a seat, sir.
See you then.
Yeah,
Take care.
All right, who else?
It would be, Nicholas Vaquera, they wanted to reapproach Judge. Yes, sir.
Luis
Sorry, on Luis De Leon. Sorry, Judge. Page 12, 2 down.
All right, Luis De Leon.
And maybe that is working.
Yes. But can I have your motion to withdraw?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you still seeking to withdraw?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 3774 State versus Luis Alberto De Leon Jr. Can I have parties announced? Just for the defense, please.
Jay Norton and Patrick Valentine.
And are you Mr. De Leon?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. State's attorney was present, but was called to a different court. The state informed the court they had no opinion on your motion to withdraw. Have you had a chance to discuss the motion to withdraw with your attorneys? Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Luis De Leon.
All right, your counsel has filed a motion to withdraw. They state there's an issue with your contractual obligations. Are you aware of those issues?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you have any
At this stage of the docket, the courtroom moves swiftly. Lawyers request time, judges reset dates, and defendants wait as decisions are postponed. What seems routine is critical. Each delay, each signature, quietly shaping the direction of lives moving through the justice system.
Objections to their motion to withdraw?
No.
All right, the motion to withdraw will be granted.
And Judge, while Mr. DeLeon is here, Mr. Bunk asked me if I would text him and ask him, inform him if the court granted our motion. I will do that so they can come back and we will tender information that we have to Mr. Bunk.
All right, so Attorney Bunk will be your attorney. This case is going to be recalled for January 12th for a contested hearing. This attorney will share any discovery information, police reports, whatever he has received with Mr. Bunk, so that Mr. Bunk will be able to represent you.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions about anything?
No, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Good luck.
It's Luis Alberto De Leon Jr. He's on page 12.
Dakota. There's.
Yes, and that'll be a contested. Hi, how's it going? My trial partner
I haven't done that.
in the real world and in mock trial.
If we have any phones coming in, like, do you want them to come back at the first?
Yes.
Orlando. Yeah, 1:30.
Can it be press my Zoom? I do have to.
Yeah, I've heard some.
Just 1 second.
I have to.
Can you be present by the?
Yes, but his attorney will need to be in court. I mean, sorry, his client will need to be in court.
Custody, Judge.
Yes,
Thank you, Judge.
thank you. Just as long as all the paperwork is completed.
If we've completed it and turned in, I've gone over.
Oh, if it's been turned in, why can't we do it now?
She still needs to swear him in, Judge.
All right, so just hang around for a little bit. Yes,
I have all the discovery logs on that case with Bunk.
thank you. And that way the deputies won't have to bring him back.
And whenever you're ready.
Just give me a moment. Yes, I'm ready.
Stephen Limon, he's on page 13, one down, Judge. It's with Renee. Where's Renee? Oh, there you are.
So they have a special answer for that.
He's out there.
Limon?
Yes.
I'm sorry, what page?
He's on page 13, one down, Judge.
Is that a motion to revoke?
It's a bond hearing.
It's a bond hearing, Judge, but we're also scheduled for his case. We were just gonna request a reset to next week on Thursday. He did get accepted into VTC, but he had picked up a new case. So the state wanted to look into the new case and have a little bit of time to vet that before recommending him for potential probation with the condition of VTC, Judge. So we're respectfully requesting a 1 week reset adjournment so we can allow the state to look into that new case, Judge. But I feel, or I'm hopeful that by that time we'll have a resolution.
All right, so we'll bring you back on December 18th and take it up at that time. All right, you're welcome.
As new defendants approach the bench, discovery and plea deadlines dominate the conversation. Attorneys request time, the court grants structure. Deadlines are set, expectations made clear. In this courtroom, progress isn't rushed, but it is demanded, case by case, name by name.
All right, who's next?
Batty Jones, Judge. He is on page 5 at the bottom.
Batty Jones.
All right.
Hello. All right. For dressing appropriately for court. All right, today's plea deadline date.
Yes, Your Honor. There was a PTD offer made. We did the application and turned it in about 30 minutes ago.
All right, I need a PTD date, please.
January 12th.
All right, so we'll see you back on January 12th. Just make sure you keep up with everything they're asking of you, all right? All right, thank you. Just have a seat. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you. Who's next?
Heard. On page 9 at the bottom, it's a plea, Judge. Renee.
Monroe Heard.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there any applications?
Yes, Your Honor.
Probation, this is an application. And he is on page 9, the last one. Court is calling 2023 CR 7583, State versus Monroe Heard. Could I have parties announce?
Renee Munoz on behalf of Mr. Hurd.
All right. Counsel, could you have him move down to the other end? And are you Mr. Hurd?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hurd, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we're reading the punishment.
No objection.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The state is charge is robbery. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to 10,000. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
That is correct, Judge. And if the court can recall, he was deemed incompetent previously. However, under the magistrate court, he did undergo competency restoration services at the state hospital, San Antonio State Hospital, which they deemed him restored to competency. The matter was referred over to the 187th District Court. So after being appointed in his case and speaking about the allegations of this charge, I do feel that at this current time, he has a sufficient understanding of the proceedings against him, Judge.
Mr. Hurd, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, I'm sorry, just 1 second. If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, or re-entry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 6 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine in the state as opposed to your application. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea?
It is.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that
The tone shifts as a serious felony reaches its turning point. Rights are explained, consequences detailed, and competency confirmed. With evidence reviewed and pleas entered, the judge defers judgment. The future now depends on compliance, accountability, and what happens when the court reconvenes.
Can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense of robbery, how do you plead?
No count.
State any evidence?
It offers states one attachment.
No objection.
State you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. All right, counsel, we can go off the record.
Yes, sir.
If we do PSI and TAP evaluation, it's 8 to 12 weeks. Either way, it's going to have to take place in the new year. Do
Right.
you want a PSI and TAP?
Your Honor, I don't believe a PSI tap will be necessary. However, we are requesting that sentencing get reset, so I have the opportunity to call witnesses and to inform them of the date, so I can advocate on Mr. Bird's behalf.
All right, which date in January would you like?
Would the court possibly have availability on January 22nd, Your Honor?
Ms. Ferguson, is January 22nd available?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we'll bring you back on January 22nd. Probation, PSI, and TAP are waived. All right, and at that time, whatever evidence is presented to me, the court will make a decision based upon any evidence, all right? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sorry.